Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we're gonna do a different task. I'm Mr. D.
I am Zoe.
We have a Tronic tracking device, so you can put it on a suitcase or something that you want to know where it is. But we're gonna test it against the AirTag version 1 from Apple, and we're gonna do a test, compare the price difference between the two of them, basically the 30 pounds or the 9 pounds. So let's unbox it and let's see what we can do next.
Let's go.
So inside the box, on the smart tag finder, you will find the directions and the smart tag with a sleeve. The reason it's inside the sleeve already is because it's a little hard to take it out and put it in, because it makes, they say, this sleeve waterproof.
As you can see, it's very tight.
Yeah. So let's go to the adventure that we're gonna do today, and we're gonna show you in the end how you pair the device on your phone.
Head behind here. I've got a lovely view too. And let's see if they
So
can
now
find
Zoe
me.
is hidden. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the Tronic and see if we can find the Tronic device first. So we press play a sound and we put directions and go. We're looking for the device. We don't have any signs that the device is close to us.
Too many books around.
Yeah.
Let's have a peek. He's coming.
So we don't have any indication where is the device, but Zoe is there.
I think I can get down now. So I'm hiding behind here, so they can't see where exactly I am. I've got a lovely view. And let's see if he can find me with these.
Tronic smart tag. Let's see where it is.
Cheeky peek. He's down there.
It says that we are getting closer.
He is coming. Our way. Let's look at the view.
So it says that we lost it.
It's
Let's
getting
see.
closer. Let me get.
We are very close.
It's more at the other side.
We still try to connect. You see it says no item reachable.
Yeah.
And here we can see that we found it. So it's not very efficient if you are far away. So let's stop the sound.
That's what's good, I think.
Let's test the Apple AirTag now.
Yeah.
He says we are too far. And it says that it is 100 foot around here. 99, 90, 85, 75, 64, 54, 49, 35, 25, 15 foot. Hello.
Hi.
So, we have a winner. The Apple AirTag version 1 with the low Bluetooth signal managed to get us where it is exactly.
Exactly.
Of course, the Apple AirTag 2 is more reliable because you can go to half a kilometer, I think.
Mhm.
Yes, but successfully we found it. So guys, this is the Tronic smart tag. We compare it with
The apple?
Apple AirTag, and we saw that the performance wasn't very good, but it's still useful than having nothing.
Yeah,
to
you
track.
can still track, but it's not that accurate.
Yes, it's not very reliable on the Apple. So we're gonna show you how you pair it in the end.
Yeah.
And thank you very much for watching. I'm Mr. D.
I am Zoe.
And have a lovely day. And see you on the next video.
See you on the next one. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe on the channel and share the video for everyone who wants to buy a device that they want to track where the suitcase are or your stuff. Thank you.
Bye.
Press the button to start the smart tag. the device is gonna beep. Check that you have your Bluetooth on the device. Open the Find My app. Press New Device. The device is gonna show up. Continue on the next screens and it's paired.